Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic street light controlling system based on night and day detection. So here we are going to detect the vehicle presence with the help of this IR sensor and day and night mode with the help of LDR sensor, light dependent resistor sensor. So based on the lighting intensity on the surface of this LDR, the conduction between the two electrodes will be increases when the light intensity is more. Low light intensity, the conductance between these two LDR electrodes will be decreases. So based on this resistance, control will get the variable voltage. So means based on the voltage levels, you are going to identify the day mode and night mode. So whenever the darkness was detected on this LDR sensor, then the microcontroller enables the IR sensor to detect the vehicle presence. So whenever the vehicle crosses this IR sensor, then these two LEDs will get switched on in the dark mode and the darkness, and that will be controlled through this BC547 transistor. So if the vehicle was not present in the night mode, these two lights will on with 50% intensity. Means the only night mode, these two lights will 50%, and in the night mode and the vehicle presence, then these two lights will be go with the high intensity of 100% intensity. So that intensity getting signal from the C2 pin of our PIC16F72 microcontroller, and LDR was interfaced at A0 pin and IR sensor interfaced at A4 pin. So the whole system getting power supply from this 230 volts main power source, and this transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. So that is input to this regulated power supply board, so which will take the AC as input, and there's a 4 diodes are connected in a manner of full wave bridge rectifier. So we will get pulsating DC. So to remove the pulses, we are making use of a capacitor which will act as a filter. So after that, we will get the pure DC voltage of 12 volts. But we need 5 volts power supply to our microcontroller because its operating voltage is 5 volts. So for that purpose, we place the 7805 regulator. So it will take the above 5 volts and provide us the exact 5 volts output. So once we provide the 5 volts output to this one, the controller will enable and start reading input from these two input sensors. One is the LDR, another is the IR. Whenever the LDR darkness was there, then only the IR will read, and based on the vehicle detection, it will on the lights with high intensity. Otherwise, if darkness is only there, then only 50% intensity will be provided. So let us see the demonstration. So initially this light will on and off 2 times. After that, you can provide us the input. So whenever the normal mode, the day mode, so if any vehicle crosses, there is no switching the intensity to the LEDs. Darkness was detects, then 50% intensity was on, and the vehicle crosses that, automatically the full brightness will be provided for this high power LEDs. So when it crosses, so you can observe that. So when it detects, it will hold till the vehicle crosses this IR sensor. Then only this light intensity will be increases. In the day mode again, lights totally off.